In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement in Xero. Whether you're new to bookkeeping or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your financial data is up to date and accurate in Xero. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Xero account. If you haven't done this before, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. The top menu here is your gateway to various features. Next, on the top menu, you'll want to click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This is where all your connected bank accounts will be listed. Take a moment to ensure you're in the correct section before proceeding. Now, from the list of your bank accounts, identify the account into which you want to import the statement. Click on the name of the bank account. This will open up the specific page for that account, showing all transactions and details. On the right side of this page, you'll see an option that says Manage Account. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options to manage your bank account settings and data. From the drop-down, look for and select Import a Statement. This selection will prompt Xero to prepare for the import process. Make sure you have the statement file readily available on your computer for the next step. Now you should see an option to Browse or Choose File. Click on this button to locate your bank statement file on your computer. It's important to note that Xero supports a few formats for this upload: .ofx, QBO, QFX, and .csv. Ensure your file is in one of these formats to avoid any issues during the upload. Once you've navigated and selected the correct file, go ahead and click Import. This action will upload the file to Xero. Depending on the size of your statement, the upload may take a few seconds. Be patient while Xero processes your data. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to review the statement lines. This is an important step. Check to make sure everything looks correct and matches your actual bank statement. Look out for discrepancies or errors, as these can affect your bookkeeping accuracy. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything looks good, click Save. This step will commit your changes and ensure your bank statement is successfully imported into your Xero account. You should now see these transactions reflected in your account activity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported a bank statement into Xero. Regularly updating your financial data helps maintain accuracy in your books and provides clarity in your financial decision making. Thanks for watching, and have a great day navigating your finances with Xero.